We are here in the kitchen with Casey St. Louis from Abingdon Olive Oil Company, and she brought a friend, Tony. Tony, thank you so much for being here, and Casey, thank you both for being here.
Tony's our master pitmaster.
I was going to say, introduce us to Tony. You talked about him in the past.
I have. He's in my backyard, and we have our Father's Day special going on, our Smoking Hot Father's Day special, and it has the smoked olive oil that goes with the Saba, which makes a really nice barbecue sauce. And so I've said in the past, if you don't have a Tony in your backyard to do it for you, this will do it for you. But we brought Tony today.
Yeah.
So he's my smoking hot father.
Ooh, okay, I love it.
So he's going to explain to you how to do this. You know, a lot of guys have the smokers. They're really big right now with the grill.
They're very popular.
And yet I was at a party and the guy said, I don't even know how to use my smoker. You know, he just used the grill part of it. So Tony's going to be really helpful with that.
Good. I
can't work with us.
Yes, a few secrets.
That's
can't wait to pick your brain about that. But what do you have in front of you right now?
So with this, the Saba is like our 18-year barrel-aged balsamic. It's a little bit thicker. It's actually a glaze. And so we've just mixed this with the olive oil. And we'll see if Curtis can zoom in on that. And if you notice, if you just fold with a spoon, rather than shake it with a bottle or mix it with a fork, it'll get nice and thick. The more you fold it, the thicker it gets, and then it turns into this great barbecue sauce.
Okay.
So,
and what did you mix with over
I have
here?
my spoons out. So that is the taco seasoning. Don't get mixed up. I mean, it's great for tacos.
Right.
But it does make. When I first told Tony about it, he was thinking we wanted to do tacos. We want to do sliders today. We'll do tacos another time. But yeah, the tacos really, I mean, the seasoning just makes for a perfect.
You can go different directions with
So what was your reaction when you first tried this?
Well, I thought tacos. I mean, that's the thing. But next thing you know, I was putting it on pork butts.
Wow.
Doing the rub with pork butts. Like I said, done the chicken with it. I like it on the chicken now. It's got a little kick to it, so you know.
Good. I like a little bit of heat.
Me
Casey knows that. Casey knows that. So tell me a little bit about yourself, Tony. How did you get started smoking and kind of into that whole world?
My grandfather had a barbecue place way back in Bristol back in the day, and I don't know. I guess I was into my genes, maybe. Yeah. So, 18 years old, so started cooking on the grill all the time, and one thing led to another, and I've been doing cooking meat for 30 years now.
Wow, that is amazing.
Won a number of awards. Built his own smoker. You're working on a double barrel smoker now, right?
Yep. 22-foot trailer right now.
Wow.
Hopefully I can come here and cook on live for you one day.
Wow. Yes, we would love that. Yes, we would love that. And so looking at kind of everything that you brought here, you know, this is just a small sampling of what you do. But let's start over here on this board. Tell me a little bit about what we have there.
Okay, what I've done, I marinated the chicken in the olive wood smoke. Okay. And with the rub, the taco season rub. So I marinated it for probably 8 hours maybe. Okay. So then I grilled some of it, then I smoked some of it. The smoking part, probably 2 hours maybe. Low smoke, 225.
Okay, and that's the key, is the low smoke.
That's right. I mean, if you overcook it, you overcooked it.
Right.
So the slower the better.
Wow, 2 hours right there. And then look at that.
And then when it's done, we're just going to drizzle some of this yummy barbecue sauce back over the top.
And I think, when you think of Father's Day, I know me personally, I always look at kind of the barbecue stuff that you can get your dad, whether it's the tools or the funny aprons.
All the funny gadgets.
Yeah, all the gadgets. But it all goes down to having the right smoker and knowing what to do with it, right?
I mean, there's an art of keeping a fire at the perfect temperature. I mean, if you don't fire management right, you've wasted your meat. I mean,
right, you don't want to ruin the meat that you worked so hard to get to that point, right?
$100 brisket, you gone like that, but
oh man,
$100 brisket and our really good olive oil on there. You just got like a really juicy, moist, yummy, whatever you're smoking.
Well, and Casey, you guys at the store too. If you're not there, then your staff can definitely help people if they want to come in and are looking for maybe something different, some type of different marinade to add to the meat. And that's kind of what you guys do. You guys just kind of play around with all the different flavors.
Well, coming in this month, okay, what are we going to do? It's going to be around the Father's Day special. Kanan is on my staff. I just have such an awesome staff, and we're constantly trying out new things. Kanan actually is who came up with the Father's Day special, and he talked about the taco seasoning. We all went, taco seasoning? Right. Interesting. But every single one of us said, that's the one.
Wow.
That's what we need to do.
That's great. Well, and it just takes that trying it to realize the potential of it, right? The flavors.
Yeah, I'll be walking across the alley going to get my supplies all the time. Yeah. Tell you the truth.
Which is true of all of ours. It just takes trying it, and some are so much better than others. But I haven't found one that I went, oh, you know, no, that's not really good. They're all good.
They're
some
all
are just
really
like,
good.
wow, that's really it. Yeah.
Well, when we come back, we'll talk a little bit more about some of these other recipes that you brought. Sliders, some truffle fries.
Yes.
Sounds so good. It smells delicious in here. If you could smell through the TV, you would definitely be smelling this, and it tastes delicious. Well, thank you so much, both of you. We appreciate you coming in. When we come back, you will learn more about all these other recipes. In the meantime, stop by Abingdon Olive Oil Company. They have a location in Abingdon and in Kingsport. You can check them out online as well to get your hands on that smoking Father's Day special. Back here in the kitchen with Casey, St. Louis, and Tony. And so this is the Father's Day special. And look at, you just kept folding
This is, yeah.
And this is the barbecue sauce.
Right, and it really gets that consistency of a barbecue sauce.
It really is
I do want you to taste it this time. I know you don't like to
as I'm wearing a white dress.
But yeah, exactly. But you can taste that smokiness in there, right?
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, that's what makes that so special.
Delicious.
Like I said, if you don't have a smoker in your backyard, pit smoke.
That is so. No wonder you want to use that on your meat.
Yeah.
And so here's some sliders right here. And when you took the top of the bun off, I kind of said, "Oh my gosh, is that chicken?" And it is chicken. So you decided to do chicken sliders. Tell me a little bit about it.
Well, it's a boneless thigh, skinless boneless thigh is what I use. Like I said, I marinate them with the olive oil wood smoke and then the taco rub. You know, 4 to 8 hours if you can. You know, you can do it 2 hours. Marinate. Then I grilled them. Some of them I smoked for about 2 hours. So got 2 different kinds of meat that we can try. Then once you put the glaze on top, you know,
call it a day.
Yeah, it's ready to eat.
Look at pickled onions.
I was going to say,
oh, well, yeah,
you topped it with pickled onions, right?
I make these too. I use Casey's white vinegar balsamic and a little bit of apple cider vinegar and just a touch of regular white vinegar.
Okay.
Some sugar, some all pickle and spice.
Yeah.
2 hours in the refrigerator, they're ready to eat.
Wow, and look at that.
Right, and this is what we were talking about at the break. All of our balsamics just make such interesting different pickled things between cucumbers and onions and carrots.
Well, and clearly you can make so many different flavors, from pickling vegetables to coming over here and making a barbecue sauce.
Right.
And then, of course, now we have to do the truffle fries. Dun, dun, dun. So we have the shoestring fries already in here.
Right.
And what do we add?
We had the black truffle oil on this one. We also have the white, so a little bit of truffle oil.
Okay.
And
is this one the black one that you just added?
Yes, that's the black.
Okay.
Black and white, and we made both so you guys could see, you know, which one.
And so what's your favorite? The black truffle oil?
I like them both. I tell you what, I like the black on my lasagnas. I'll make some killer lasagna too, by the way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I
like both of
So
them.
not only do you smoke, but you make a good, mean
lasagna. Yeah, I mean, I got people knocking at my door with my lasagnas.
Oh, wow.
Truffle is a little nuttier than the white. So the white is smoother and pumpkin with the soups.
So we added the black truffle oil, some salt and pepper.
Some Parmesan and some parsley.
Oh my gosh, and look at that.
I always put more than really
you always
needs.
got to just
that's
you
okay.
can really smell it, right?
And look at that. Talk about a great backyard barbecue dinner for Father's Day. Easy peasy. And don't forget, Father's Day special happening right now as well at Abingdon Olive Oil Company. Real quick, what are the specials?
The olive wood smoked olive oil. It's a little pricier at 23 bucks a bottle. The Saba is 34 bucks a bottle. When you get it all together with the pours and of course the gift wrap, so it's a nice present, you're getting it for $60. And the taco seasoning's in there too. So it is. It's a 30% savings.
Sounds like a steal, and what a healthier version of a barbecue sauce as well. Clearly, if Tony uses it on his meat, then everyone can. It's Abingdon Olive Oil Company. They're in Kingsport and in Abingdon. All their information is right there on your screen.